Good morning, students. Welcome to computer class. Today we will learn about chapter number 3. The name of the chapter is Tux Paint. Before we start using Tux Paint, let us read something about Tux Paint. Tux Paint is a wonderful drawing software for children. Tux Paint is a drawing software. Software means you all have used different apps on your smartphone, right? Same way on computer we use different softwares. Tux Paint is a drawing software. You can draw here and color the pictures. Unlike other drawing and painting programs, Tux Paint has a lot of creative tools. Creative tools, funny animations and magical effects, which make it one of the best drawing software. Tux Paint is the best drawing software. Why? Because it has creative tools, funny animations and different magical effect tools. Okay? Let us look at its unique feature. Now see what are the features of Tux Paint. First one is Tux Paint is a free software. Tux Paint is a free software. You can easily and free of cost download your Tux Paint from the internet on your computer and also on your mobile. It is easy to use with a little knowledge of basic mouse skills. Just you have to learn how to handle the mouse. You can easily use Tux Paint. Tux Paint has a drawing mascot, means penguin, which helps you to know more about tools and subtools. Now here we use a penguin in Tux Paint, which helps us to know about different tools and subtools. Next is Tux Paint increases the creativity of children. How it increases the creativity of children? Because whatever you want to draw on your drawing books, you can draw it on computer. Anything you can draw in Tux Paint. It provides a large variety of tools that helps them to create beautiful designs. You can draw here landscapes, portraits, different drawings, anything, okay? Next, we can add personalized stamps to our drawing once we finish it. Once we have finished our drawings, you can add different stamps. Stamps are different pictures. For example, if you can't draw a sparrow, if you can't draw any some animal like lion, they have given you the pictures of these animals, birds and other things. You can just take it and paste it on your drawing to make it beautiful. Next is funny sound. Funny sound effects are played when we select any tool. In Tux Paint, whenever we select a tool, it produces a funny sound, which make it more interesting for children. And last one is we can load and save images directly as thumbnails without using any file name. Whatever you draw on Tux Paint, you can save it in the Tux Paint without giving any name. Okay, so these are the features which make it the best drawing software. Okay, today we have learned features of Tux Paint. In the next period, we will learn how to download Tux Paint on your mobile as well as on your computer from the internet. And if you don't have computer, you can use it on your mobile also. It's very easy. Okay, till then read this chapter from your book. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.